video, we're unboxing the Harmonic Balancer installation tool. This is a Harmonic Balancer installation kit. The Harmonic Balancer is also the crankshaft pulley. It comes with a rubber cushion ring. The main purpose of this tool is to press the balancer precisely and squarely onto the front of the crankshaft. Avoid using impact or any kind of brute force during installation, which can easily damage parts. This tool can install the balancer without causing any damage. It prevents damaging the crankshaft balancer. It uses a thread adapter plus a thrust bearing to convert rotational force into an even and axial load. Presses the balancer firmly onto the crankshaft, avoiding using hammer to kick it, which causes the deforming the front of the crank, cracked rubber bond, and damaged trigger wheel. Before installing, please pay attention to the front of the crankshaft, and the mounting surface inside the balancer must be completely free of oil and grease and any burrs or debris, or the balancer won't seat properly and cause crooked on the crank. We have to use the correct thread size and specification. If you force a mismatched adapter bolt, it may damage the threads inside the crankshaft. Do not hit this tool with an impact wrench. That'll destroy the thrust bearing and even snap the adapter bolt. There are 4 different adapter bolts inside our kit. First, pick the correct adapter bolt and thread it into the crankshaft. Next, slide the Harmonic Balancer into place. Once it's installed well, use the thrust bearing nut to press the balancer evenly onto the crankshaft mating surface. This is what it looks like when assembled.